technology. For more updates and details, please do like, share and subscribe.
Hello friends, welcome back with a new tutorial on MS Excel for the beginners. We are Team Inclusive Globe Technology and I am Oindrila Basu. In our previous tutorial, we have already learned how to create a copy of a worksheet within a workbook. And today we are going to learn how to create a copy of a worksheet into another workbook through screen reader NVDA and using keyboard only. I have opened an existing workbook, Student Session 2021.
Student Session 2021-Excel Student Details Table Roll 1.
We are in a worksheet renamed as Student Details Table that contains name and roll number of 10 students. Let's see.
Roll 1. Name of the student B1. Andy B2, Antonio B3, Belinda B4, Boris B5, Dennis B6, Henrique B7, Ivan B8, John B9, Lee B10, Max B11.
Now imagine you are a teacher and maintaining this database of current batch. Now library department of your school needs the student list to keep the records of library card numbers that will be assigned to the students. So you need to create a copy of this worksheet to their workbook. Let's open the library department's workbook.
Library Department-Excel Book List Table. Name of the book B1.
This is library department's workbook. It has one sheet renamed as Book List containing the records of all the books. Now we are going to create a copy of Student Details Table into the library department's workbook. Create a copy of a worksheet into another workbook is very easy. We have to follow only 4 steps. The step 1 is be on the worksheet that we want to copy. The step 2 is open the Move or Copy dialog box. The step 3 is select the destination workbook, and step 4 is check the Create a Copy checkbox and press Enter. Let's follow the steps one by one. So I'm navigating to Student Details Table.
Student Session 2021-Excel Student Details Table. Name of the student B1.
We are in the Student Details Table and it is our step 1. Now we are going to make a copy of this worksheet. Create a copy option is in the Move or Copy dialog box, and Move or Copy dialog box is available on the Home tab under Cells grouping and inside the Format option. Let's follow our second step. I'm pressing Alt-H for the Home tab.
Ribbon tab Control expanded. Home tab selected Alt H2 of 9.
Now I'm pressing Tab for Format option under Cells grouping.
Home grouping, clipboard, cut button, cut copy, split button, format, painter, office, clipboard, font edit alt, font size edit alt, home grouping, font group, decrease font size, bold toggle, italic toggle, underline, split button, border, split button, fill color, split button, font colors, format, cell font alignment, grouping, middle align toggle, bottom align to orientation, align left toggle button, center toggle, align right, decrease indent button, increase indent, wrap text toggle, merge and center, format, cell align, number format, home grouping, percent style, comma style button, increase decimal, decrease decimal, format, styles grouping, format as cell styles, collapse, cells grouping, insert split button, collapse, insert cells, add cells, rows, columns or sheets to your workbook. Alt H I.
We are in the Cells grouping and I'm pressing 2 more tabs.
Delete split button, collapse, delete cells, delete cell, format, collapse, change the row height or column width, organize sheets, or protect or hide cells. Alt H O.
Format option. Now I'm pressing Enter here.
Cell size grouping, row height, Alt H O H.
Now I'm pressing down arrow.
AUTOFIT row height, Alt H, column width, Alt H, AUTOFIT column width, Alt H, default width, Alt H, visibility grouping, hide and unhide, collect, organize sheets grouping, rename sheet, Alt H O, move or copy sheet, Alt H O M.
Move or copy sheet option under Organized Sheets grouping. I'm pressing Enter.
Move or copy dialog, move selected sheets, move or copy window, before sheet list, student details 1 of 2, move or copy dialog, move selected sheets, move or copy window, before sheet list, student details 1 of 2.
We are in the default location before sheet list that contains all the sheet names of active workbook. Before sheet list is actually the second item of this dialog box. Now above this list there is a combo box labeled by to book containing all the workbook names that are presently open. Let's see, I am pressing Shift tab.
The book combo box student session 2021.xlsx collapsed Alt plus T.
This is the combo box presently showing the active workbook name Student Session 2021. Now I am pressing down arrow to see the list.
The student session 2021.xlsx. Library department.xlsx. Left parent, new book right parent.
Now I am pressing up arrow.
Library department.xlsx. Student session 2021.xlsx.
We have opened two workbooks, that's why it is showing two workbook names Student Session 2021 and Library Department with their file extension .xlsx. Our goal is to make a duplicate copy of our active worksheet into the workbook Library Department. So we have to choose our destination workbook Library Department from this combo box. I am selecting the workbook Library Department.
Library department.xlsx.
Now I am pressing enter.
The book combo box library department.xlsx collapsed Alt plus T.
Library Department is selected as destination and we are in step 3. To make a copy of active sheet, create a copy checkbox has to be checked. So I am pressing tab.
Before sheet list, book list 1 of 2.
This is the before sheet list of Library Department workbook. Now I am pressing another tab.
Create a copy checkbox not checked Alt plus C.
Create a copy checkbox which is by default not checked, but to make a copy we have to check this by spacebar. So I am pressing spacebar.
Space checked.
Create a copy checkbox checked and we are in step 4. I am pressing tab for the OK button.
OK button.
OK button. Now I am pressing enter.
OK but library department -Excel student details table name of the student D1.
See, NVDA is narrating Library Department -Excel student details table. That means student details table has already been placed in Library Department workbook. Let's check the title of the workbook by NVDA key and T.
Library Department -Excel.
Let's see the available sheets. I'm pressing Control page down to navigate right side.
Book list table name of the book D1.
Now I'm pressing Control page up to navigate left side.
Student details table name of the student D1.
Now I am navigating to Student Session 2021 workbook by Alt tab.
Student session 2021-Excel student details table name of the student D1.
See, student details table is also present here. It means the sheet has made a duplicate copy in Library Department's workbook from its own place. Till now we are copying the worksheets in between the workbooks that are presently open. Now if we want to create a copy into a new workbook, then we can simultaneously open a new workbook and create a copy into it. Let's see. We are in student details table of Student Session 2021.
Student session 2021-Excel student details table name of the student B1.
Let's create a copy of this sheet into a new workbook. I am opening Move or Copy dialog box by keyboard shortcut Alt-H-O-M.
Ribbon tab cell size and move or copy dialog move selected sheets move or copy window before sheet list student details 1 of 2 move or copy dialog move selected sheets move or copy window before sheet list student details 1 of 2.
Pressing Shift tab to access to book combo box.
The book combo box student session 2021.xlsx collapsed Alt plus T.
Pressing down arrow and selecting new book.
Student session 2021.xlsx library department.xlsx left parent new book right parent.
Pressing enter.
The book combo box left parent new book right parent collapsed Alt plus T.
New book is selected as destination workbook. Now I am pressing tab.
Create a copy checkbox not checked Alt plus C.
Pressing spacebar.
Space checked.
Now we have to press either enter or OK button. So I'm pressing enter here.
OK book 1-Excel student details table name of the student B1.
See, NVDA is narrating book 1-Excel student details table. That means student details table is in the new book. Let's see the available workbooks by Alt tab.
Student Session 2021-Excel Row 1 Column 2. Book 1-Excel Row 1 Column 3. Library Department-Excel Row 1 Column 1. Library Department-Excel Student Details Table Name of the student B1.
There are 3 workbooks. This is the basic method to create a copy of a worksheet into another workbook. Next, we are going to gather some more information about it. We know that a new sheet is always added at extreme left. Now, if we want to place our copied sheet before a particular sheet of the destination workbook, then we have to choose that sheet from before sheet list of Move or Copy dialog box. Let's see. We are in Student Details table of Student Session 2021.
Student Session 2021-Excel Student Details Table Name of the student B1.
Now we are going to create a copy of this worksheet into Library Department's workbook and place it before the worksheet book list. I am pressing Alt-H-O-M for the Move or Copy dialog box.
Ribbon tab O cells M Move or Copy dialog Move selected sheets Move or Copy window before sheet list Student Details 1 of 2 Student Details 1 of 2.
I am pressing Shift tab.
The book combo box Student Session 2021.XLSX collapsed Alt plus T.
Pressing down arrow and choosing Destination Workbook Library Department.
Student Session 2021.XLSX. Library Department.XLSX.
Pressing Enter.
The book combo box Library Department.XLSX collapsed Alt plus T.
Library Department has been selected. Now I'm pressing Tab.
Before sheet list Student Details 1 of 3.
This is before sheet list of Library Department workbook. Now I'm pressing down arrow and choosing book list, before which we are going to place our active worksheet.
Book list 2 of 3.
Book list selected. Now I'm pressing tab.
Create a copy checkbox not checked Alt plus C.
Pressing spacebar.
Space checked.
Now pressing enter.
Library Department-Excel Student Details left parent to right parent table name of the student B1.
We are in the newly created sheet Student Details left parent to right parent, where 2 is indicating there are 2 sheets sharing the same name Student Details. Let's see its location. I am pressing Control page down to navigate right side.
Book list table name of the book B1.
Now I am pressing Control page up to navigate left side.
Student Details left parent to right parent table name of the student B1. Student Details table name of the student B1.
See, it is placed before book list. Similarly, if we want to place a newly copied sheet at extreme right, then we have to choose the option Move to End from before sheet list. Let's make another copy of Student Details table of Student Session 2021 into Library Department's workbook. So I am navigating to Student Session 2021 workbook.
Student Session 2021-Excel Student Details Table Roll 1.
Pressing Alt-H-O-M.
Ribbon tab O cells and Move or Copy dialog Move selected sheets Move or Copy window before sheet list Student Details 1 of 2 Move or Copy dialog Move selected sheets Move or Copy window before sheet list Student Details 1 of 2.
Pressing Shift tab.
The book combo box Student Session 2021.XLSX collapsed Alt plus T.
Choosing the destination workbook.
The Student Session 2021.XLSX. Library Department.XLSX.
Pressing Enter.
The book combo box Library Department.XLSX collapsed Alt plus T.
Pressing tab.
Before sheet list Student Details 1 of 4.
Pressing down arrow and choosing Move to End option.
Student Details left parent to right parent 2 of 4. Book list 3 of 4. Left parent Move to End right parent 4 of 4.
Move to End selected. Now I am pressing one more tab.
Create a copy checkbox not checked Alt plus C.
Pressing spacebar.
Space checked.
Now pressing Enter.
OK, but Library Department-Excel Student Details left parent 3 right parent table roll 1.
We are in the newly created sheet Student Details left parent 3 right parent, where 3 is indicating there are 3 sheets sharing the same name Student Details. Let's see its location. I am pressing Control page up to navigate left side.
Book list table name of the book B1. Student Details left parent to right parent table name of the student B1. Student Details table name of the student B1.
Now I am pressing Control page down to navigate right side.
Student details left parent, to right parent, table, name of the student B1. Book list table, name of the book B1. Student details left parent, 3 right parent, table, roll 1.
See, it is placed at extreme right. So this is all about for today. If you have any query, then email us at info@inclusiveglobe.com. If you feel this tutorial is informative, please share it to your friends. You can also get the previous tutorial links in the description, and we are eagerly waiting for your valued opinion and a like. Thank you.